He does flips? Oh, he does do flips.
Flips.
It's a trick rock.
The only trick he knows. The one trick pony.
Bye-bye!
Yeah, we're ready. Ooh, it's gonna be fun.
You must be this turtle at the right.
Well, I'm screwed. Your
She's
friend,
just fucking standing there with that fucking rock.
She's staring at you.
Oh!
Hey! That's gross.
That's a rock, by the way, like a real rock. That's not a prop.
Oh, yeah.
No. You didn't.
My buddies!
Hi, we won't see you again. They're gonna kill us.
Did you ask him first? No.
Why would I ask?
Because maybe the rock don't want to be lit. Whoa.
What are you guys doing?
Going out, I think.
Everybody get out of here!
We gotta get out!
Fresh this time!
Whoa.
We're crazy, they take everything from me. Please, I can't.
What did they take?
Please, they take everything.
That's a lot of radioactive waste.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
That's
nasty.
probably very toxic water.
Please, just finish.
I don't
Where's the
know.
toxic
What are we
Avenger?
eating?
Uh-oh.
What are y'all doing here now?
I don't know.
Y'all hear those sirens?
Yeah?
We're being under attack.
We're trying to
Who's
find
the
out.
dragon?
I gotta get
We
around
need to
to help.
take cover.
Oh, we're gonna die.
We gotta get you all safe.
They gotta get us out.
You don't want to.
Oh my God. Monsters. That one's headless. Oh, no.
Gimme.
He definitely matches. No,
That is crazy.
the
Real
alligator.
gator.
Yeah. Ooh.
Whoa.
It's getting dark. Oh, he's way up there.
God
Oh my
damn.
God. That got you good. Ooh, I wasn't expecting that.
No, what in the movies is this motherfucker jumping?
Well, this Michael jumps. Uh-oh, where'd he go, Ethan?
Oh, he disappeared
Where'd he
again.
go?
He gone.
Shit, he's completely
gone.
gone. Oh,
He
hell
gone.
no.
Where's he
Whoa!
at?
Oh, God! Woo! Oh, shit! Ah, no! Ooh! Oh, man.
That shit looks real.
Ooh, he's gonna get Tyler.
He is. Very nice.
That was good. I did not expect him to come from above.
No.
That was awesome. Ooh,
Heads.
they're prized possessions up here.
Head
I gotta
kebab.
get you out of here before the doctor sees you.
Okay,
Come on.
I have an appointment.
before the doctor sees us, let's. Ooh, it's like slow-mo. Oh, I love it.
You need to stop scaring
Shit,
away
we're
all these
supposed to
people.
avoid him.
I have more to work on than just you and your pathetic little self.
Uh-oh.
Maybe I want to drill into their heads a little bit. Figure out what makes them tick.
Nope.
What the hell was that?
I know, we gotta go that way.
How did she get put in there? That was magic. Jordan didn't even know. Shit don't make sense. High five.
What the hell? What is going on up there?
I don't know.
What is that, Ethan? Uh-oh. Oh shit, it's getting bigger. Okay, we're coming. We're coming. We're afraid to.
Hello.
Okay. Oh my gosh, they're making all kinds of
Just
noise.
gotta follow the skulls.
Now you will see me again, and I want to see if you survive the night, all right?
Oh, we'll sure
We'll try.
That's the preferred method.
And we're gonna not survive it right here. Uh-oh. Ooh, you're a fast one. Oh, God. Ooh. Ethan, we should just hide in that teepee.
Yeah.
They'll never know we're there. Thanks for scaring us. Oh, shoot. What do we got? Oh.
But she will curse you if you are loud, okay?
Okay, we'll be quiet. I'm not very good at being quiet. Oh, pin a piece of hair. What is she saying? Yeah. Is that a voodoo doll?
Oh, they've got a cauldron.
I know, look at the huts. Uh-oh, there's animals somewhere. There's a big cauldron. Oh! Uh-oh, what are they doing to people in there? Uh-oh.
I don't think you want to sit in there.
The trees are coming to life.
Whoa, what is
that is not normal. Oh, no.
I haven't seen you today.
Shit.
Oh.
They've been waiting for you.
Who's they?
They had babies.
Oh, my
Those
God.
are they.
Freaking
Yes.
Lord.
They're about to hang you upside like Tommy.
No!
Aren't you ready? He's been hanging up there for 500 years.
That's a really
Why would I want?
Oh, no!
She loves
Yummy.
spiders.
Plus, I have
She
one coming
loves
for you
spiders.
right now.
No!
That's a big ass spider. The spider kneecap.
There was something on the ground.
The spider went right for my kneecap.
No, we don't.
What is that up here?
I don't know, Tyler. I was too afraid to go by myself. I think he's crying. Hello. Ooh.
Hello.
Woo.
You made it so far.
We did. We can see you again.
We're still here.
Can surely make it a little bit.
You can get, right?
Yeah, we gotta see how much
it's
further.
a game now. I was not expecting that right there.
Oh shit, what the fuck is that?
What's going on? Oh God, what's it got? It's got a hammer.
Why are you so scared of a hammer?
Because it's really big.
What? Why are you saying it like that? It's got feelings. What's wrong with you?
But that's a compliment.
No, it's not. It's an insult. How about I bash your head in, use your small, innocent little brains, feed it to the fishes later?
No.
Why not?
Then I can't see the horrors ahead.
You don't need to see because you need glasses instead.
What is that?
Oh, okay. Well,
It's my dog.
yeah. What is
Mark,
that?
Mark,
Be nice.
Mark, Mark.
He's taller than you think.
That doesn't sound like a dog.
Oh, no dog you've ever seen before.
Uh-oh.
Good doggy.
I have multiple faces.
Oh God. What was that? What was that? You're dropping water.
Tried to warn him.
He's trying to eat them. Are you hiding?
Ethan gone. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is.
Oh shit! Double tap. Yeah, you did. Jump, jump, jump. Okay.
You gotta jump.
You gotta jump.
Gotta jump.
Uh-oh.
Jump.
Oh God! How much energy! Wow! You guys are wild. Yeah, they are.
Welcome to the
Wow. We like
We
the patch.
did. We're at the pumpkin patch.
We barely made it. We have limbs
Let's
lost.
lead you the way out.
Here, this is Uncle Daddy's pants. Do not touch his pumpkins.
Don't touch the
I tell you
pumpkins.
this once. Do not touch his pumpkins. Pumpkin patch. Right this way.
I really want to touch that one.
Don't touch the pumpkins.
I want to touch it. Oof.
Ethan touched it.
Don't let the butcher get ya.
Butcher?
Don't play around.
The butcher's gonna get us.
Uh-oh, is this the butcher?
Delivered.
Uh-oh,
So
delivered.
many more. I'm not ready for what's next.
I was trying to
That
read
was
the
cool.
refrigerator
I
and he
didn't see
came out
that
of it.
coming.
Right?
Go! That's a real headbanger.
Yeah.
This is Timmy. Everybody say hi, Timmy.
Hi, Timmy!
Would you rather join my grinder here, or would you rather ride in the cage for the rest of your life?
I'll join the grinder.
Join the grinder? All right, well, if you're going to join the grinder, just one thing first. I have to tase the taste out of your mouth.
Oh.
No, that's not crap on the wall.
Okay.
That's more, that's when you get
What is
brain
she
matter
got
and a
up
little
there?
bit of intestines mixed together, and then you smear it on the wall. Kind of looks like
That's
that.
what it looked like.
Oh, yes,
Come
sir.
on in and see Ma's little playpen and have a little fun with him.
Hell yeah.
How'd you like
What do you
like
know?
a little story time? You take a little cockroach and you lay him down right here on the table. You cut his head off. He can last for up to about 4 to 6 hours, kicking and screaming in agony and pain, begging for you to take him out of his misery.
That's
But
impressive.
if I was lay you down on my table right here and dig my saw into that deep little pretty neck of yours, you'll last for probably about 5-10 seconds. I give and take as you bleed all over my floor.
It's not near
I'll
as
collect
good.
every bit of liquid and put it in my bowl over here and make the best little strudel stew, I tell you right now.
It sounds wonderful.
Little walking old Seymour's yard where he gets all the best produce.
Oh.
That'll last 11 seconds.
Oh, where did you?
Glorious times. Oh, do you see that man up there? That man
Yeah.
up there determines whether you can enter or not with a soul. If you have a pure one, oh, you'll be just fine. But if yours is not, well, good luck. Okay, we're gonna have fun.
We're gonna need
Hey,
to.
learn you something. You ever heard about toe collabs?
I don't think so.
No?
No.
Oh, you know, I knew you was a special one. I can smell your toes about a mile away. And I tell you what, them smelly toes, woo, they make the best toe kebabs.
Ew,
You know,
toe
Grandmammy,
kebabs?
she had the best recipe for earwax pudding. You take that corn that comes out of your rear end, you put them in there, it's like a nice little crunch in the tooth.
Oh my goodness. Tyler?
Yo, that
was
shit
one
is
in there.
nasty.
I know.
No.
It's creeping me
what?
out. Something.
There's blood pouring out of her
Oh my
mouth.
God.
That's
Ghost.
so extra.
Where'd she go?
That's crazy.
What the hell? Okay, that's something different. What is that?
Ah, so many souls to collect, so many bones to dig.
Lots of bones.
Yes. Welcome to my lair.
Welcome
to your final resting place.
Oh God.
You may never leave.
Oh, I'm
I'm leaving
definitely
right
leaving.
now.
You won't make it out alive.
We're gonna try, for sure. Walk a little.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. Oh shit. What is on her?
He's got the magical balls. The
Oh.
glowy balls.
Oh my.
Do some cool shit with the fire.
Oh lordy. That's hot.
Smells
Ooh.
good. It smells like a barbecue.
Doesn't smell good.
Oh!
Holy shit balls!
No, shit, he made me. Shit, he
Yeah,
made
that's
me.
beautiful. It's fucking great.
I think he made a mess.
Yeah.
Yeah, he did. He did. He likes the school bus.
I don't know what happened.
Oh, where you going, boys?
Where did this
Come
guy
on now.
come from?
Hey,
Whoa,
you want to get
what?
in these riding in the buses real quick? They might be upside down, but that doesn't mean you can't go upside down.
I think that would be pretty
Turn a cowboy from hell.
I'm going to pick with you, pretty boy.
What the fuck did I do?
Bone to pick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guess what?
What?
Met those fire girls, right?
Yes.
Yeah, they'll burn every point of flesh off those bodies of yours and give me the bones. I'll put them on these walls, and I'll give you
Crispy.
a special plaque just for you.
Well, that's nice.
How does that sound?
It's
I'll put you right.
maybe later.
Oh, I wanted to carve into that
Oh my God!
Break your bones in alphabetical order.
I didn't
carve
see
that
him
spine out,
coming.
use it like a walking
Oh my God, Ethan.
I can't.
stick. Those eyes pop.
This is creepy.
Can't wait.
Come on, I can't kill
Like
all
it's
of you.
you can't see past these. It's freaking awesome.
What did we walk into?
Hell.
Oh, hell.
Uh-oh.
What are you doing here?
We're
What are
trying
you doing
to
here?
find the devil.
Satan's been waiting for you.
Sounds great.
I'm his number one
That's who we
fan.
came to
tried to take my baby.
That's a
We're not gonna let her
little
take the baby, right?
Ooh, there's a hellhound.
We're safe.
I've been expecting you! Bow down to me!
Okay.
Go!
Okay.
Before your skin melts off your face!
Oh God, we don't want that. Not that way.
She's out of my piggy! He's hungry!
The piggy? Are you feeding that pig?
It's a big one.
Let's get in here. We're hungry.
Punching snake! I want number 4, Hershey Squirts!
For each one of you that slip, I'm putting your heads into the walls until the hydraulics kick in, adding a new head to the collection. And for that jumpiness, oh, I can't wait to lock you in a metal cage, light a fire underneath, and watch you dance around here, like bubbles and sticks to the bottom.
You have a crazy head.
This shit is mental.
Oh damn. This is really, really messed up. How are you doing?
See, I was fucking around and I found out.
Look at him. Oh, watch it. Frank. Oh, he likes to get around. I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
Woo!
We like
Oh
Frank.
my goodness. There's a chump right there. Oh, you're so tiny. You did that. Right in it. Watch out, you.
Don't be afraid. Come on into my mind. I can't wait to tell you.
Oh my goodness. Oh, we haven't seen you in a long
That is the
time.
coolest shit I've ever seen. Woo! The puppet master.
Master of Puppets controlling the string! Master! Master!